PM Aawas Yojna extension now, are you looking at the real estate players? Are you looking at the ancillaries of real estate like a cement, steel, etc.? Or are you looking at the housing financiers? Or do you think all these segments will benefit, and how should one be really approaching this theme now?
I think, the direct beneficiary would be the material suppliers like cement, because earlier it was 2 crore homes, now it has been extended to 3 crore kind of a
Yeah.
home. And this is to the, base segment of the society. So even housing finance companies won't be benefiting much from that because to this section, it's more of a government, subsidy and things like that come into play where the housing finance companies are not financing the buyers of these very low segment of the society kind of construction. But apart from cement, where prices are at all-time low, and expectation is that as the monsoon season ends, there will be a pickup in prices, and the volumes will also grow up by 2 to 3%. So both put together, they again become attractive by maybe Ultratech and Ambuja Cement. One can look at. Housing finance companies have been for a bit of attraction of late. The last 1 month has been good for them. And yesterday we have, just for our trading pop, we have recommended Aadhaar Housing Finance as a buy option for next 1 month or so. 410, 420 is the likely target price which we are expecting. This was a recently listed housing finance company with a plenty of valuation comfort out there when you compare to same in the peer group. So it's still at 2.5 times price to book, where others are trading at around 4 to 4.5 times price to book value. And the growth has been good enough. And the largest in the segment with 21,000 crore of an AUM out there. I think in budget, there will be some incentives will be ruled out for middle income group of people with regard to the home purchases they make. So there has not been any, a leeway given into a budget, maybe 2 lakh limit of the principal repayment which you make, maybe it will be raised to 3 lakh or something like that may come into place. So that's the trigger out there. So directly, I think cement one can play out, and the other is housing finance companies, not from this extension of the Aawas Yojna, but from something to expect in the budget for middle income group people when they buy new homes. So these are the plays which we are looking at.